step into the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, not equipped with heated ventilated front seats and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.